Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to make a quick video to make sure everybody was using this awesome website correctly. So this is a Scholastic website, and the link I have given you goes straight to daily life right here. Underneath it, you're going to see some other categories: housing, clothes, food, chores, school, and games. So I want to make sure everybody's looking at the pilgrim side of these different topics. Now, if your computer says something about click to enable Adobe Flash Player, you can just click there and then you're going to click allow. I'm not sure if your computers are going to do that or not. However, just in case, I wanted to show everybody that. So once you allow that, boys and girls, the website will reload and then you'll see the information we are going to be using. We are going to be studying the pilgrims since we talked about pilgrims with the first Thanksgiving and with Plymouth. So when you're looking at this information to complete in the charts and in your boxes with the questions on the next slide, you're going to focus on the left side underneath the word pilgrim. You're also going to look at this 1, 2, and 3. So you don't want to just read the first part and look at the first picture, but you'll want to click on 2 and you'll want to click on 3. Remember, we've been studying how pictures can show us information. So sometimes you might need to use the pictures and the words in order to come up with some of your ideas for the answers. On the right side is the Wampanoag. So we did talk a little bit about that Native American tribe that did help the Pilgrims. So you can explore this information after you are done with the Pilgrim questions. So it's not that I don't want you looking at it, it's just I want you to focus on the Pilgrims first. And then if you have extra time during the social studies time, you can look on the right side and learn a little bit more about this Native American tribe. So after you're done looking at the 3 different pictures and the information or captions at the bottom, then you'll go on to close and the same thing. It'll reload and you'll see 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so again, really study those pictures because those pictures are going to give you lots of good information. Same thing with food, chores, school, and games. Okay, make sure you are reading through all the information. You'll also see this little microphone here. If you click here, it will actually read it to you. So maybe you want to read some independently and some maybe you want to go ahead and listen. All right, boys and girls, this left side on the pilgrims is what you are going to use to complete your chart, okay, on the slide that has a question about housing, clothes, food, chores, school, and games. Please make sure you are using complete sentences when you are answering those questions, which would then include a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence and a period at the end of your sentence. Make sure you reread your answers to be sure your answers are detailed and elaborated and they make sense. All right, bye, boys and girls.